Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy, or Amy Louise. If you are new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure your notification bell is on. It really helps me out. Today I am recreating a make me up misser look. This is not something I generally do. Please ignore my hair. It's it air dried and now I look like a poodle. But yeah, this is the look that I have recreated. I'll pop a picture up on the screen right here so you can see her version. I'll also leave a link down in the description box of her video doing this look, the original. So yeah, please, if you want to see how I recreated this look, keep on watching. Okay, so primed one eye. I'm just going to pop a little bit more on this outer corner because when I did over on this side, I'd only like primed to like my usual area, forgetting that Missa brings her makeup, like her eyeshadow, all the way out. So I'm just going to like prime like the entire temple area. Like I said, I've already got on. I look like my hair's dried naturally. I haven't like done anything to it. I've just let it dry, like air dry. So it's like all poofy. And then like this eye is like, I look like a crazy person. So we're going in with the beautybay Sunset Horizons palette. I got this like a month ago. And yesterday was the first time filming, like using it at all, and then like I didn't really do much with it. If you want to check that video out, it was in the makeup techniques video, using, what was it called, full face using techniques I hate video. So I thought I wanted to give this like a proper try and then do something ridiculous and try and recreate a make me up misser look. She's amazing. I'll link her down below. Love her. So yeah, we're gonna go in with this beauty. Okay, so I'm starting off with a Morphe M456 brush, and I'm going in with Twilight, the darkest purple shade, and we're just gonna pop this on the outer corner in like a V shape. And Missa has quite a different, we've both got hooded eyes, but the eye shape and like eyebrow shape is very different. My eyebrows naturally come like all the way down here. To be fair, they come further down. I just get rid of the ends. Where Missa's are a lot higher. So my look is slightly different to Missa's, but that is fine. Keeping my eye open to make sure all the colour is above the crease. I never recreate other people's makeup looks. Unless it's like I'm doing it on someone else and they're like, can you please do this? Then I'll kind of recreate it but make it my own. I never like fully recreate. Where today, I literally sat with my phone watching the video and doing this eye step by step as she did it. Okay, so gone in with that. I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, Hibiscus. I'm going to use that to blend out the edges. So this is just going to look awful until it looks good, so just bear with me. I'm now taking an M456 brush, which is the same as the one that I just used, but a different one. And I'm going to go in with Flamingo, which I don't know why, but whenever I say flamingo, I want to say flamingo. If I ever create my own makeup line and there's a pink in there, expect it to be called flamingo. FYI. I'm going to use this to blend that out more. And this is literally just getting these shadows on. I'm only taking this to about here. I'm not taking it all the way in. Then I'm going in with a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH32 brush. And we're going in with the dark orange called Sorbet. I'm going to get that outer corner nice and blended out. And I'm going into my brow with this. And I'm going in really small amounts and just blending. I'm now going in with a Morphe M441 Moonlit, this darker yellow shade. Honestly, there's no need for both of these yellows. On the eye, they're basically going to be exactly the same. And let's get that in there. We're not even going anywhere near that inner corner. We're just sticking right on this outer corner. I'm blending it into my brow as well as the outer corner. I'm now taking this teeny tiny little fluffy brush. This is an M562 brush. And I'm going in with Bikini, which is this really light violet shade. It reminds me of Parma Violet Sweets. And I'm going to pack that on the inner corner, blend up to where the orange meets like the center point right here. And then I'm going to keep that same brush and go in with Dusk, which is this nice pink, to blend that out. I just realised I described something as a nice pink, which is probably the first time in my entire life I've done that. And we're going to blend that out. And because they are so pastel, they can give quite harsh lines. So just go in really small amounts and be prepared to really have to blend. It's just the way pastels work. This eye's really bugging me. There's definitely something in there. I'm going in with a Morphe M506, which is this little tapered brush. I'm going in with the black shade, which is called Midnight. I really thought that one through, didn't I? And I'm going to pack that on the inner and outer corner. And then I'm going to join it in the centre. From here, I'm going to go right back to the beginning and redo it all. Make sure that it's all blended, the pigmentation is there, and it just looks its best. So bear with me while I do that. I'm going to go in with my Plouise blank canvas and a Plouise, I think it's 702 brush. And I'm going to create a halo, which I never do, so I suck at them, honestly. Like, it's just one of those things that I never do, and I never really get asked for. I get asked for cut creases, have cut creases, never ever halo eyes. I don't know, people don't really seem to ask for them. Okay, well, not half cut crease, what am I on about? Halo eye on. I'm going in with this Plouise flat brush. It's not got a number, it's the white one that came in the mirror set, I think it was called. And I'm going in with the gold, which is called Mirage. Okay, so from here, I'm gonna, oh, I thought I had a hiccup then. I'm going in with a Morphe Jeffree Star JS13, and I'm going to take a mix of Flamingo and Reef, which is the pink, and then the lighter orange in the palette. I'm just going to take a mix of those, and I'm going to use these to start to blend that edge. Lighter purple, and then the darkest purple, which can then blend into the black. And then I'm going to take this Morphe M152, and I'm going to use this to like pat over to create the blend, which is my lazy girl hack. If you can't be bothered to blend, slap your colours on and then take another brush and just pat over and it will blend. Morphe M506 with the black shade. Run that across the bottom. Then we're going in with Thunder, which is the really dark blue. And then the lighter blue next to it, which is this one called Deep. All on the same brush. And we're joining all that up to the outer corner. I'm then taking the Morphe M508, which is this tiny little smudger, and I'm going in with the blue metallic called Oasis, and that is going on the front not the inner corner, the front of the lower lash line. My brain just completely stopped working for a second then. We're going in with a different JS13 and then the gold on the inner corner. Do these even slightly match? I don't think they do. Now the only problem with this gold is, if you can see on this side, the gold has just like fallen down so much, and I actually cleaned up this lower lash line like below before I even turned my camera on. Literally seconds before I started filming, I quickly cleaned up and it's fallen down, so I don't know how to feel about that. I'm then taking a liner brush. This one is the Morphe M250-0 and this Plouise crisp finish in Salty AF. I'm going to pop this into my waterline, which I think is what I've got on my contact lens. So I'm gonna just quickly clean up this, literally just a cotton bud or a cotton swab. I really want to find a good alternative, like a reusable cotton swab or cotton bud or whatever you want to call it. I've tried a couple but they've not been very good, so if you've got one that's good, please let me know. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do my base and then I will be back to show you what I look like when it's all finished. I've got to say, I wasn't sure about this until I got like my lips and my lashes on, and now I'm liking this. Okay, so that is the finished look. Let me know what you think. Are you a subscriber to Make Me Up Missa? Are you Make Me Up Missa? Are you watching this? Let me know, because that'd be pretty cool. Anyway, so yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you liked, I hope you enjoyed, and if you haven't, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure your notification bell is on. It really does help me, and if you want to help support me and my YouTube journey, then check out the link down below. You can become a patron, which I've got a whole video. Check out my big announcement video, it's got all the information in there. Yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.